Hey guys, it's Jason from JJ Delights. Today, we are going to recreate Uncle Roger's famous egg fried rice with adding a little bit of JJ Delights twist on it. Uncle Roger, I hope you are watching this. If you are watching this, just gonna let you know that I'm not gonna disappoint you. I'm gonna make the most delicious egg fried rice dish out there. Oh yeah, before I forget, there's something I'm gonna show it to you guys. So, okay. Right, so you guys know where I'm going with this, right? So this is a wok and this is a pan. For this dish, do not use this. Keep this aside for now. I'm gonna focus on this, alright? So this is a wok. So it releases this called bouquet. It basically is the breath of the wok. It makes the dish pops, okay, I would say. So just trust me on and use this, okay? Do not use that. Just gonna bring this to the kitchen. Let's get it going. Okay, so I've got the wok right here now. I'm gonna put up the ingredients that is needed for this dish on the screen right now. Alright, so we're gonna start off the egg fried rice dish with deep frying the shallots that we have here. Okay. So we're gonna need that for the garnish later. So now I have already turned on the stove. Just gonna add a little bit of peanut oil. Just enough for us to deep fry the shallots. Okay, so there's a trick to actually always know that if the oil is ready or not by basically placing this stick of chopstick into the oil, and if you see it bubbling like that, it's basically ready. We're just gonna add in the shallots into the oil. Just do that. Spread it out. Let the shallots deep fry for a little bit. Now it's turning brown. We're gonna take it out. As you can see, it's now beautifully brown, and we can use it to garnish the fried rice later. Okay, so what we're gonna do next is, you can see there's some leftover oil here. It's a little bit too much for us to do our Chinese sausage that we're gonna do next, so we're gonna pour off the excess, but leave a little bit. Okay, just we're gonna leave a little bit for the Chinese sausage that we're gonna do next. Okay, so what we have here is some chop up Chinese sausage. We're gonna add it to the wok. Gonna stir fry a little bit. The aroma has all come out, and we can remove this. We have 3 eggs here. We're gonna scramble it. After you have scrambled your eggs, okay, now it's all yellow. Put in the garlic and also the shallots. So this is the oil I use to cook the Chinese sausage in. So it goes in, garlic, and the shallots. It's time to add in the eggs, 3 eggs. Just give it a little mix. The eggs have stopped to form. Okay, so you can see right now it's around like 70% done. We can add in our rice. So the rice that I used is actually leftover rice. It's better, as you can see, each separate grain very finely. What I'm gonna do is gonna add it in. Mix it together with the eggs. Make sure after you add in your rice, you press it down. Separate each grain of rice so that you won't get a clump of rice. Okay, next we gotta add in our soy sauce, oyster sauce, and sesame oil. Gonna mix everything together nicely. Make sure you constantly stir it. you won't burn the bottom part. Okay, next, do you know what this is? This is MSG. We always use MSG, okay? So this is MSG, the salt on crack. Gonna mix it well. And we're gonna add a little bit of white pepper, just a sprinkle. As you can see right now, the rice is all coming together. The color of the rice, the aroma of the rice. Of course, when you're using a wok, the wok hay. We're gonna add in Chinese sausage from just now. Pour it in, mix it well to incorporate the Chinese sausage flavor, taste into the fried rice. Next, we gotta add in chili, chop up chilies, spring onions. As you can see, it's getting really colorful. Chinese sausage, the spring onions, the chili, and the egg, the rice, and the smell right now is incredible. Okay, and it's about time that we're gonna serve. Okay, so I have a plate here, and it's time to serve this beautiful egg fried rice. Okay, put it here. Just gonna scoop it. Generous amount of rice. Okay, so now we have these two delicious and pretty fried rice here all prepared up. Now, this is not all done, okay? We're gonna make this pretty. So still remember these two that we have prepared just now. It's gonna go in here, and I'm gonna do it in a cool way. So cue the music. Now is the best part. You have seen the pretty shots, the final product we have sitting right here. A spoon, all we're gonna need to use to eat an egg fried rice. Not a fork, it's always a spoon. So let's get a little bit of scallions, a little bit of Chinese sausage, a little bit of the fried shallots. It's a success. Uncle Roger, I hope you are watching this, okay? And I would say that this is my version of Uncle Roger's fried rice, and I can see that it is great. It tastes delicious. I want to go for a second. Uncle Roger, I hope this is in your approval list, and I hope I make you proud.